Welcome back to EmRatThich channel, the best place to learn table tennis. The video has the subtitle. Please turn on captioning for better understanding. Hello, it's me again, Coach EmRatThich. Today let's review some of the best rubbers of Tibhar table tennis. Recently, the Tibhar Hybrid K3 is used by many pro players like Felix Lebrun, Alexis Lebrun, and Darko Djordjevic. Tibhar Hybrid K series. Rubber Tibhar Hybrid series is regarded as the DHS Hurricane with no need for a booster. This series of rubbers uses the technology of German Isen cake sponge combined with sticky rubbers, which has excellent elasticity, full friction, and high forgiveness rate. Tibhar Hybrid K1 versus K2 versus K3. Tibhar's Hybrid K series of table tennis rubbers has been gaining popularity among players of all levels. The series includes 3 models, K1, K2, and K3, each with their own unique characteristics. For performance, the following data are the test results of professional athletes. The Tibhar Hybrid K series of table tennis rubbers offers a range of options for players of different skill levels and playing styles. The K1 model is ideal for those who prioritize control, while the K2 model offers a good balance of speed and control. The K3 model is the preferred choice of pro players, thanks to its dense sponge and forgiving nature. Ultimately, the choice of rubber comes down to personal preference and playing style, but the Tibhar Hybrid K series has something to offer for everyone. The sponge, as shown in the figure below, it is easy to see from the foam process of the sponge that the sponge of K1 series is a medium porous cake sponge, which is relatively soft and elastic, strong bite, no need of booster. K2 series of sponge is a high-density sponge, almost no sponge pores, similar to the DHS Hurricane sponge, good support. Feel is also closer to the DHS Hurricane, so K2 series can use boosters. The sponge of K3 is a cake sponge with small pores. Between K1 and K2, the feedback from current users is very good, with a high forgiveness rate and low difficulty in getting started. The K1 model is the slowest version in the series and is recommended for players who prefer a more controlled game. It has a softer sponge and lower speed, making it easier to control the ball and execute precise shots. The K2 model is faster than the K1 with a speed rating of a 20. Its high-density sponge is similar to that of the DHS Hurricane, making it suitable for players who rely on the use of boosters. The K2 model offers a good balance between speed and control, making it a popular choice among players who want to add more power to their shots without sacrificing precision. Read the full comparison review on PingSunday.com. Just search Tibhar K3 Rubber PingSunday on Google. Tibhar Hybrid K3. Tibhar's newest sticky rubber, Hybrid K3, is being recommended for top players. The popularity of sticky rubbers like DHS Neo Hurricane 3 among top players has increased with the introduction of the polyball. While Chinese players tend to use Neo Hurricane 3, German and Japanese rubbers have been able to achieve similar characteristics through advancements in technology. Hybrid K3 is a German-made sticky rubber that combines the stickiness of Chinese rubber with the ease of use of non-sticky German rubbers. It has a sponge hardness of 53 degrees in German standard, making it softer than some other rubbers like Butterfly Dignix 09C. This softness makes it easier for players who haven't used Chinese sticky rubbers to adapt to it. The K3 model is the most recent addition to the series and has quickly become a favorite among pro players. With a hardness rating of 40 and a speed of 118, the K3 is slower than the K2, but still offers good power and control. Its small porous cake sponge makes it the densest sponge in the series, providing a high level of forgiveness and ease of use for beginners. Continuing the comparison of Tibhar table tennis rubbers, the K1 version is known for its softness and ease of control, making it a great option for backhand play. The K1 Plus version has good stable friction, which makes it ideal for use on the forehand. On the other hand, the K1 Pro version has stronger support and better power, making it a great all-around rubber. The K2 version, on the other hand, has enhanced stiffness and a harder sponge, which brings it closer to the DHS Hurricane 3. This version is suitable for players who prefer a harder sponge and stiffer rubber. The K2 Pro version has even stronger elasticity than the K2, making it a great choice for use on the forehand. Finally, the K3 version is the sticky rubber in the Tibhar series, making it a great option for both forehand and backhand play. With its small porous cake sponge, the K3 offers a high forgiveness rate and low difficulty in getting started. This version is especially favored by pro players due to its stickiness and ease of use.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.